Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice container in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice container. The ice container is located on the left side of the top freezer drawer, right under the ice maker. The most common reason to replace the ice container is if it cracks or simply missing. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer compartment. Pull up the drawer, and this is the ice container. Just simply remove it. This is the old ice container next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is the new ice container, and it goes in this way. There's a sign here up front, and we're going to follow the sign. So simply place it onto the top drawer. Now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.